Hi friends, we are into forced social distancing. Now, how to turn our home into a relaxation heaven. Though we all love our home, in these difficult times, we are now realizing what a challenge it is to be at home during this countrywide shutdown. We are very uncertain of how many weeks more we will need to endure this. Social distancing has totally changed our lives, as the new preamble seems to be divided we stand, united we fall. Today, we have to work, educate children, and relax all from our home. Open out with love. The rhythm of our lives have changed completely with closed schools and limited community resources. Being inside the house continuously can be hard. The most important factor for parents to remember is that you are your child's favorite person in the whole world, your child's role model. But it is impossible and impractical to be engaged with kids all the time, especially if you are working from home. We need to find time during the day to share nurturing and affectionate moments, to cuddle, hug, and kiss them so that they could feel your warmth. You could find time to read a story to them at bedtime, play a game, sit and watch them play, motivate them to help us cook or sort their laundry or clean the drawing area. With all these, children feel safe and happy. They feel involved and important. That's when they become free to do their work, learning, playing, exploring, and creating. The goal is being able to meet the needs of our little ones with love. Second is interactions for a healthy mind. For the kids, the initial excitement of an unexpected extra holiday has already disappeared, and now they have started missing their grandparents, relatives, friends, and teachers. Thanks to technology, today video calls are a great way to stay in touch. We can encourage our children to maintain their contacts and interact with them regularly. Another idea to keep interacting with friends and teachers is to work on a common project together, even though they are apart. This makes a good feel among the children. Third is caring and sharing. The kitchen was never used so intensely as it is these holidays. We all are at home now. Sharing the household task will be a very good option which builds unity among the members. Responsibility of the running household activities, which includes husband and children, will be very interesting and invariably extremely humorous at times. This will be a totally new aspect for many families for sure, but this indeed is a lovely concept. Life will become much more easier and fun when everyone participates in domestic chores and activities. We should try to keep our daily routine as stable as possible during this break, like wake up timings, meals, cat naps, and bedtime as usual, and this will help you to keep organized. You will now have enough time to have a long bath and read the newspaper. I urge you to transform your house into a heaven of peace and relaxation, and you will surprisingly find yourself feeling relaxed during this lockdown. We'll come back with another lot more tips soon. Please subscribe to this channel and leave your comments below this video. Till then, bye bye.